Welcome to KCA. In this video, I'll be showing you the new P2P scam and how to avoid them. Just straight to the point. Just open your Bybit. If you have your Bybit on your phone, if you don't have it, kindly download it. So when you have your Bybit on your phone, this is a demo account we're using for this practical. Let me show you. Just go to your P2P trading. For some of you who have traded P2P over and over again, you know what I mean already. So once you click on your P2P trading and let's go to orders I've completed in the past. I'll just show you various ways these guys are actually scamming people right now. Though quite fortunate, I was unable to fall victim of their scam. So these are orders I've completed recently, and you can see I've done quite a number of orders. Let me also show you that. I think that will also help you to know that what I'm telling you, they actually prove, there is evidence. You can see right here, I've done over 71,733 orders in the past. So anything I'm telling you here, they are born out of experience. So these are the orders I've completed. So at times, number one thing you should also be careful of is that when people want to pay you, for instance, you see this 499,999 naira, they can actually pay you 40, they'll pay you 498, like 498,9999. So you get the look alike. I get him. They've done this for me personally. The guy just marked paid, and I checked my account. I found out the guy has paid, but just unfortunately, I found out that the guy has actually removed 10,000 naira out of the money. I was shocked. I was like, are you kidding? So please, anytime you receive order or anytime they tell you they are done with payments, kindly check to be sure that they pay the exact amount that both of you agreed on. If not, you are likely to lose your money. Another way they do this one is that they may actually, let's assume maybe a trade-off. I think it happened on my trade. Okay, I think it's this trade. Let me show you the trade where this actually happened. Okay, if I can still find the record here, I'm going to show you the trade. Okay, I can't find the record, but don't worry. Nevertheless, let me just show you this. For instance, now let's assume someone is to pay you this. See this 100,000 right here. He can eventually pay you 10,000. They both look alike. The guy can actually remove 10 out of the 30 out of the 4. You have 50, just remove 10 and pay you 10,000 naira instead of paying you 100,000 naira. Eventually, the guy actually paid you, but he didn't pay completely. And the guy with mark paid asking to release the assets. You eventually release such assets, you are on your own and you are likely to lose your money. That's another one. Another thing they are doing that's also prominent, which is number 2 way they're actually scamming people right now, is that once they make payment, you just do something like this. Let me show you from this angle. I'm trying to find those orders I've completed in time past so that I can show you exactly. They'll just send you a receipt paid. This one is even fine. This one, that this one is not from bank. Let me show you the one they used to send to people. Let's go to photos. This one happened to me directly. The guy just told me, the guy just something like this, payment successful. So send you something like that, payment successful. You find out that, oh, the guy is actually done with payment. He has completed the payment. But payment successful doesn't mean that you have been paid. This is a screenshot. This is how they'll just attach it. Once they say they paid, Bybit make it a must that they must actually attach a receipt. So they just say payment successful. Once you click release, you are on your own and you have lost your USD. The guy has not made any payment. This does not mean that payment was made. It only means payment successful. And this actually a screenshot of a payment that was successful, not directly from your bank. So ensure you always check your bank app to be sure that this guy has actually made payment. Another thing also, please don't let anybody scam you that, oh, they are chatting up, okay, this Bybit escrow system chatting you right on WhatsApp, on Telegram. There's no way. They don't chat on Telegram. You never see any customer care representative chatting you on Telegram or chatting on WhatsApp. It's all scammed. Maybe you're having disputes with the payment and they're telling you, okay, you can go ahead and release now. We have actually resolved it. Don't forget that we're in the days of AI. Virtually anybody can compose any message via AI. And once they do that and they actually release and you release, you are on your own. So nobody's going to chat you up through WhatsApp or call you via normal phone call. If they are going to communicate with you, it's going to be through their dispute system. That's how they are going to communicate with you, not through not through how will I create now? You see, these, their other disputes, their dispute system right on their exchange. That's the only legitimate means of reaching out to you. Any other means is scammer. So don't forget these 3 things. Number 1, they are going to subtract either 0 from your amount. From the amount they pay you, 0, 1, 0, and pay you a part of the payment, which all look alike. I've nearly released USD before I found out that, wow, this guy actually is about to scam me. And I told Gary, oh, sorry, it's a mistake, boss. Let me actually refund. And the guy refunded my money and paid completely. At times, they just minus 10,000 naira, 5,000 naira. They'll minus a amount that makes the money look alike, but not exactly alike. And another thing they do is that they will tell you that payment done, payment successful, which no payment was successful. Number 3 is that they can charge you up through any of the other means aside from their or official exchange are telling you, okay, we have been working on this, working on that. They are all scams. So please, guys, take note. These are the new scam system that I personally will fall victim of, but because of my expertise and how long I've been in the system, I cannot fall victim of it. See you in our next video. Please, if you have not hit on subscribe button, kindly do so if this video have actually offered you a value. Please don't wait until you are scammed. Take note of these things.